The raw materials brought in are first weighed on the weighbridge and then sent to the unloading area. The bucket elevator lifts the raw materials into the grain cleaner. The cleaner screens out impurities, stones, and straw. It also removes other contaminants from the raw materials. The cleaned raw materials will be transported to the steel silo through the elevator. The scraper conveyor transports the raw materials. It delivers them to the equipment workshop. The raw materials arrive at the workshop. They are sent to the pre-cleaner through a bucket elevator. The pre-cleaner screens out impurities, such as thread ends. The permanent magnet removes iron impurities. It is placed in the raw materials flow. Impurities are removed from the raw materials. Then they enter the crushing bin. The crusher crushes the raw materials into powder. By changing the screen, you can produce different sizes of powder. Our hammer mill with a pulse dust collector. A large amount of dust will be generated during the crushing process. It will collect the dust to achieve the effect of cleaning. The raw materials enter the rotary distributor through the bucket elevator. The rotary distributor directs the materials into different batching bins. The rotary crusher places different raw materials into the corresponding bins. The PLC computer controls the process. It directs different raw materials into the batching scale. The materials are proportioned according to the formula. The proportion powders enter the twin shaft paddle mixer. This mixer ensures high mixing uniformity and short mixing time. It has a pneumatic door for discharging. The discharging speed is fast, with little residue. The mixed raw materials pass through the bucket elevator. They enter the permanent magnetic cylinder and the pneumatic T. Finally, the materials enter the granulation bin. The materials pass through the pelletizing bin. They enter the feeder, then the conditioner, and finally, the pellet machine. The pellets are formed through the ring die. By replacing the ring die, you can make different pellets, such as chicken feed, pig feed, or cattle and sheep feed. It is mainly used for cooling pellet feed in the pelleting section. The cooling air moves opposite to the high temperature and high humidity materials. This allows the materials to cool gradually from top to bottom. The temperature of the pellets is reduced to no more than 3 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Celsius above room temperature. The moisture content is also safely reduced. Crumbler machine. It breaks large particles into small ones. It is used for baby chickens and suckling pigs. The cooled granular materials enter the rotatory grading sifter through the bucket elevator. The rotary motion of the screen achieves screening, grading, and filtering. It can screen both powdery and granular materials. The qualified granular materials enter the finished product warehouse. The unqualified ones are returned to the granulator for regranulation. Qualified pellets enter the finished product warehouse for packaging. The packaging machine can pack 10 kilograms, 25 kilograms, 50 kilograms, etc. Qualified granular materials enter the finished product warehouse. The warehouse discharges the materials to the bulk truck. The location of the bulk truck can be designed based on your site size.